Oh my goodness, that smell is just so wonderful. It smells like fresh lilacs. We're here in front of a chase tree, also known as Vitex. This is a Louisiana super plant. As a matter of fact, Shoal Creek Vitex is the Louisiana super plant selection, but there are many other cultivars, and we traditionally see this beautiful purple color, but there are pinks and whites. This is a wonderful flowering tree for the summertime. If you're having issues with crepe myrtles, possibly with crepe myrtle bark scale and that sooty mold, the black sooty mold that gets all over it, this is a wonderful selection as a replacement for a flowering plant or a large flowering shrub that can be trained like a tree. Now, these are very easy to propagate. As a matter of fact, I see a bunch of little seedlings here. There are some leftover seeds from last year. The birds actually love these, and they'll get into these and disperse those seeds. So these are easily propagated by seed. They're very fast growing. They love full sun. They are originate from the Mediterranean, so they love those temperate, semi-tropical, tropical temperatures. So they do well here in Louisiana. With those hot and drought temperatures, these just perform. So Shoal Creek Vitex is a Louisiana super plant, a summering large shrub or small tree as a focal point that the pollinators, this thing has been covered in butterflies and bees. The pollinators just love it. Very easy care. Make sure it gets water when it's a heavy drought. Needs nothing else. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.